In this video, we will write a simple Python function using a Fibonacci function. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we will search for writing simple Python function. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. Copy the code in a single click from here, go to the IDE and paste the code. Now let's take a look at the code. Now this code defines a function named Fibonacci that takes a single argument n. The function calculates the nth number in the Fibonacci sequence recursively by checking if n is 1 or 2, in which case it returns 1. Now if n is greater than 2, the function recursively calls itself with n-1 and n-2 as arguments and returns their sum. Let's run the code and see the result. And you have written simple Python functions using the Fibonacci function.